Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric linear actuators. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Vever 12V Linear Actuator. Specifications. Model, Linear Actuator 12V. Stroke length, 500 mm. Rated load, 660 pounds. Type, waterproof linear actuator. Speed, 0.19 inch/s. Actuation force, 660 pounds. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is, New Reciprocating Motor Linear Actuator. Specifications. Brand name, Fanda Motor. Model number, DL 2023. Torque, 4 Nm. Continuous current, 3-5A. Construction, permanent magnet. Type, gear motor. Commutation, brush. Certification, CE. Usage, CR, electric bicycle, home appliance. As the item number 3 we've selected, Electric Linear Actuator. Specifications. Brand name, Daewoo. Model number, DHLA 12000. Torque, 2.5 Nm. Continuous current, 10A. Construction, series wound. Type, micro motor. Protect feature, totally enclosed. Commutation, brush. Efficiency, IE1. Output power, 240W. Voltage, DC 12V. Color, silver. Item number 2 is 6000 N Electric Linear Actuator. Specifications. Model number, DHLA 6000. Torque, 6000 N. Continuous current, 2.4A. Construction, series wound. Type, micro motor. Protect feature, totally enclosed. Commutation, brush. Efficiency, IE3. Output power, 55W. IP grade, IP44. Stroke length, 51,000 mm. No load speed, 5, 8, 22, 42 mms. Voltage, DC 12V, DC 24V. Usage, boat, CR, electric bicycle, fan, home appliance. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Vever 2 PCS 12V Linear Actuator. Specifications. Model, Linear Actuator Kit. Rated load, 220 pounds. Voltage, 12V. Stroke length, 760 mm. Actuation force, 1000 N. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.